You seen people die? Doing last rites and all?
Yes.
What was that like?
What's it like?
Yeah, like in the final moments. Are people scared?
Yes. Everyone. You got a family, Robbie?
Yeah. I got a boy and a girl. Wyatt and Harper.
Summer tanager showed up in my backyard recently. It's not supposed to be anywhere near Pennsylvania this time of year. It's called a vagrant.
A what?
Vagrant. It's a bird that strayed outside its normal range, strayed so far that it's forgotten how to find its way home. Most of them don't survive.
Wow. Well, a lovely story. Thank you for sharing, Tom. Kidnapped the world's most depressing human.
What I'm saying, Robbie, is you could still go home.